friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Hello Kitty as Mrs. Claus, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with the nose. Right in the center of our page, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Next, let's draw in her eyes. So coming over on the left-hand side, leaving quite a big gap here, we're going to draw in an oval. And then we're going to leave an even amount of space as we flip across on the right-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that, drawing that at the same size again. Now let's move up. In the top, we're going to draw in a nice big oval for that highlight. And then we're just going to color in her pupils black. Now let's move up and draw in her bow. So stepping up from the right eye, leaving a gap, we're going to draw in a circle for the center of that bow. Let's draw on the top part of the bow. So on the top left, we're going to curve this line around and in on the bottom. And then we're going to come down on a diagonal, replicating that, drawing that at the same size on the bottom. Let's add a small detail in the middle. So right on the top here, we're just going to curve this around and down on the side. Then we're going to flip across, replicating that on the bottom as well. Now we're going to come across and we're going to draw in a Santa hat on the top. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this around and in. And then from here, we're just going to curve this up and through towards the bow. Now from here on the left hand side, we're going to continue to bring that across. So we're just going to curve that up and over. Again, curving this up and across. Again, moving over, curving that down. And then now from here on the side, we're going to arch this line around and then back in on the bottom. Let's curve this down and back up again. And then one more time as we connect this in towards the bow there. We're going to frame in her head now. So for the ear on the top left, we're going to curve this line out. And then from here, we're just going to tuck this in, curving this around and back down. Close out the cheek. So stepping up on this line slightly, we're just going to arch this line around and in on the left-hand side. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, curving that in, ending that at roughly the same height. Now let's connect these together. So we're going to flatten out the bottom of the face. We're just going to curve this line across all the way over, connecting that together on the right. Now we're going to continue to draw in the Santa hat up above. So we're going to, on the right hand side for the pom-pom, curve this line around and in. Again, from that point, arching this up and then back down on the right. Again, from here, we're going to curve this over and through towards the bottom. Now from here, curving this down, connecting that back up. And then again from here, we're just going to curve this over and in towards that bow. Now let's close off the hat on the top. So we're going to, on the right hand side, curve this over, and we're going to bring this down on the left. And then we're going to step in, adding in a small detailed line, just curving that across and through. Now let's add in her whiskers. So coming over beside the eye, leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line out on the top. Let's move in towards the middle, replicating that again. And then we're going to come down, curving that over and across. Let's come down and draw on the outfit now. So for the neck, we're going to draw on a curved line from left to right. In the middle, we're going to draw on another arch line, stepping down. On both sides, we're just going to curve this around and through towards the chin. And then again, one more time from that corner, just curving this around and then back up. Let's move over for the torso. We're going to curve this down on the left and right hand side. We're going to draw that at the exact same size. And now like we did on the top for the hat, we're just going to draw in a wavy line as we come across. So this doesn't have to be perfect, but we're just going to keep dipping our pen in and out as we move over, trying to keep these as even as possible. Like that. Let's move up. We're going to draw on the belt buckle. So we're going to draw on a straight line that comes up on the left and right hand side. And then we're going to close this off directly on the top. Right in the middle here, we're going to draw in a sideways rectangle. So we're going to draw in 2 straight lines, drawing those at the same size on the left and right hand side, leaving a gap in the middle. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom and the top with another straight line to finish off our rectangle. Now let's move up. On the left hand side, we're going to curve this line out. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right hand side as well. Let's move down. We're going to curve this line around and up on the left. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Let's close off the bottom here. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this around and in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. From that corner, again, curving this around, back up. And now like we did on the top, just in the opposite direction, flipping it down, we're going to connect that. So again, we're just going to draw in our wavy line, and we're just going to, again, try and draw these at the same size as we come all the way over to the right hand side. And this doesn't have to be perfect, just like that. Now let's draw in the sleeve. So coming up on the left hand side, on the top, we're going to curve this line out. Again, curving this up and over. And then again, one more time, just curving this around and then back in. Let's close off the arm. So we're just going to arch this line in towards the chin. And then now from here, curving this around and down. And then again, one more time, just arching that over and through towards the side of the body. Now let's close off the hand. So we're going to curve this all the way around and then down. And then lastly, we just have her legs. So we're going to draw in a straight line right in the middle. On the left and right hand side, we're just going to curve this around and up on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Hello Kitty as Mrs. Claus. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.